Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to change settings on X. So let's open X on the phone and tap Profile Picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then you have to enter Settings and Privacy, and this is basically your settings page where you can adjust whatever that you want to, whatever that you need to. So here are a couple of sections. This is your account, security and account access, monetization, premium, timeline, privacy and safety, notification, accessibility, display in languages, and additional resources. So open some kind of section and go to whatever that you need to, and in order to disable some kind of function you want to move this slider to the left like this, and in order to enable some kind of function you want to move the slider to the right just like this. So check out these settings and adjust and customize whatever that you need to and you want to. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.